In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log out of all devices on Claude AI. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So if you want to log out of all the devices that your account is logged in, then it's pretty simple. You can just do this from one device. To do this, go ahead and log into your Claude account, and you can see I'm already logged in here. And once you are in, go ahead and click on your account profile here, and then go to settings. From settings, go ahead and choose account. And by choosing account, you can see we have under account, we have this option to log out of all devices. By logging out here, you will be logged out of all devices, including the one you are currently logged in. And to remain just with one device, you just need to go ahead and log in to the device you want. So that's how you can log out of all devices on Anthropic Claude. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.